In this video, you will learn how to create a playlist on YouTube in 2021. What is a playlist? A playlist is a collection of videos. Anybody can make playlists. How to create a playlist? First, you must find a video to be in the playlist. For example, Chaweng Beach by Drone. Under the video, click on Save. Click on Create New Playlist. Now you are creating a new playlist. You can enter the playlist name. And select the privacy settings of the playlist. There are 3 different privacy settings. Public. Anyone can search for the playlist and view the playlist. Unlisted. Anyone with the link of the playlist can view the playlist. Private. Only you can view the playlist. Click on Create. Congratulations! You have now created a playlist on YouTube. To add more videos to the playlist, find more videos. For example, Freedom Beach. Click on the video and click on Save. And click on the desired playlist to add the video to that playlist. How to edit a playlist. At the left side of the screen, click on the playlist that you want to edit. Click on the pencil icon to edit the title of the playlist. Edit the privacy settings of the playlist. Or edit the description of the playlist.